Hey, it's Mr. Johns. Welcome to American Truck Simulator. I have installed some mods for the truck. Whoop, just missed my light too. And activating those mods has created some glitches around on the graphics. So some of the buildings are pink. A lot of the buildings are pink. Some of the markings on the road, which I don't think those would actually be markings, so I'm not really sure if those are shadows or what exactly is turning pink on the ground, but causing some issues. Decided to do a video on this just to show you because it's pretty weird. Like little, I don't know if it's shadowed parts, but you can see different parts around the world are pink. And so I'm still curious about the mods because I downloaded. So when you go to the Steam Workshop under this game, you have access to all kinds of different mods that people have created, and the ones that I'm most that is really ugly pink. The ones that I'm most interested right now are paint jobs. So all I've done is downloaded maybe 10 paint jobs for the truck. By the way, I did just get a speeding ticket just before I clicked record. It was like $1,900 downtown Coos Bay, going just a few miles an hour over the speed limit. So wow. Oh, that's not where I should be turning. So it's 20 miles an hour here in Coos Bay. 20, like school zone. 20. So that's crazy. All right, this is a four-way stop. My turn next. That truck should be stopping. Just making a visual there. Whoa! Oh, it's not a four-way stop. Wow, really? Okay. Well, my bad there. Yikes. So, okay then. And I am all over the place bad. That's a one-way street. Wow. 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 I don't even know what to say. Okay, so one-way street. It's a two-way stop. Oh. I'm at a loss. That is so not like me. Okay, pay more attention, I guess. Okay, no, you stop, I go. I don't have a stop sign. Now I just see it going 26 and 20. It is 20 here, 20. So I got a speeding ticket, got in a crash. Didn't recognize a four-way stop. Didn't recognize a one-way street. Just okay. So check for signs. So cross traffic does not stop. All right, what I'm doing is, it's awesome, right? Isn't it? It's awesome. I'm headed over to a little pink town here, the pink building, where I can paint my truck. And what I'm hoping I can do is paint my truck and then get rid of the other mods. Hopefully. And hopefully that, obviously I can't keep playing the game with pink. So if none of the mods work, if none of the mods work and get rid of the pink, I'm not going to use them. So obviously, so what I want to do is just go through the mods with you and see and show you what I've got. So flames, UPS. I don't like the brown. I do like the black, the flames on black. It's fairly cool. Coca-Cola, that's a classic look. I love that. Here's another one, but I like this first one. That's cool. That's very possible. And because it's a mod, it only costs $1,000 and not so much more. Here's a FedEx truck, but it's white. Don't love that. Okay, it's similar, the flame on my yellow truck. So keep continuing down here. Don't love that. some of the original ones still here. Christmas, Skull and Bones. Looks like those are the only ones that popped up. So that's interesting. I downloaded maybe 8 to 10, and these look like the only ones that took. So I think what I'm going to do is go ahead and confirm the Coca-Cola one. I like how that looks. I do need to do some repairs while I'm here because of that crash. So looks like just a little bit. Oh my gosh, really? What? 1% damage to my chassis cost $21,000, and 1% to my cabin cost me $16,600. Holy oy. Now that's to replace though. Let's go ahead and just repair. Oh, okay. Whew. Okay, yeah. I don't need to replace those parts. Those are majorly expensive. No wonder. Let's just repair. Thank you. Let's just repair that. I gotcha. So, service recommendations. Okay, everything's good there, I guess. Repair all, confirm. Yeah, okay. So I still have 1% truck damage. Still have some damage. That's just wear, though. Okay, I'm not sure how I get rid of the wear on the chassis. I don't think I do. So, but things are repaired. Okay, so things are good there. Oh, whew. All right. Just was stressed there for a second. So what I need to do now is back out of here, and that's cool. I think the Coca-Cola look is really cool. But what I need to do is, let's see, go to the main menu, I think. So it's Launchpad, they call it. And we need to go to Mod Manager and basically get rid of all of them except for Coca-Cola. See, I had a whole bunch of really cool ones, but we need to send them back. I wonder if I can... so it's Coca-Cola truck skin. I don't know which. It's probably this one. So I need to send them. Let's just send them all over. Yes. And let's send the Coca-Cola one back. I think it's this one. Oh, no. Just Coca-Cola. Check. How do I do just that? Oh. That. Okay. I got it. Okay. I got you. Confirm changes. Now let's go back into the game and see that if I still have that paint job. Just make sure we did this right. Okay. We can't have the pink. We can't have the pink roads. I'll be real bummed if. Okay, cool. Still have that. I'll be real bummed if the world's still pink. Okay, yes. So that's a win-win. I wanted the cool Coca-Cola truck. That's just awesome. You know, even though this is my own personal truck and I'm not working for Coca-Cola, I don't know. It's kind of tough, actually, right? I mean, how picky do I need to be? Like, I'll be delivering all kinds of miscellaneous stuff in a Coca-Cola truck. Is that, like, does that seem weird to you? Anyway, I don't know. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comments below. Does it look dumb to be delivering all kinds of other stuff as a freelance trucker in a Coca-Cola truck? Because Coca-Cola wouldn't allow that, right? They would only be delivering Coca-Cola products. But it does look cool. And the other mods didn't work. So maybe for now. Maybe for now. All right, well, that's the update. That's all I did today. That's all I did in this episode was show you the weird pink. Basically, how to add a mod under Mod Manager at the main menu. Just slide it over, and then you still have to go into a service center and paint it. So you know, I guess I'm driving for Coca-Cola for a little while, but we'll go from there. All right, I am in Coos Bay, and my next episode will be Coos Bay to somewhere else. So come back and visit and find out where I go. But for now, Mr. Johns is out.